Hey, what's up, family? Today we back in the studio with another video. We gotta do the drop list for week 14. I'm gonna cover this shit ASAP, like no waiting, no bullshit, because I'm trying to get in and out this bitch. But leave a like on this video, subscribe to the channel, just click the post notification bells, that way you're notified whenever I post a new video. And hey man, I'm about to come with content. I've been loading up shit, just stay tuned, trust me. Subscribe down below, giveaways coming soon and all that, so make sure you subscribe. And without any further ado, let's go ahead and get straight into this video. So we already spoke about the Skittles shit like 2 days ago, so I'm not even about to talk about that shit too much, you feel me? At the end, I'm gonna talk about the whole shit as a whole, and then we'll get straight up out of here. But we talking about these big ass JBL speakers first. These shits look big as they're the L100 classic speakers. It's a set of 2, and these bitches are $6,500. $6,500. Who the fuck? Bro, you trying to light the whole town up with them bitches. You gonna put that shit in the back of the Honda Civic? Like, stop playing, bro. I don't even know. Let me know what y'all doing with these speakers. You know Dominican's gonna be lit in New York, in the Bronx, with these shits right here. No bullshit. But then there's more Skittles shit. I'll talk about that at the end. We do have official pictures of the Vans. The Vans are actually solid in one color, maybe 2, mainly one color. I'm not gonna lie, the gray with the blue is a banger. Let me know if y'all feeling how I'm feeling. The barbed wire at the bottom is sick. People sleeping on these shits because low key these shits is hard. These shits is hard. The blue ones, fire. Let me know what y'all think about those in the comments. But honestly, I'm gonna be going for these. I do have the all black pair, which I'm actually selling. I don't really want those, but these right here I would actually wear on a daily basis type shit. Shit's hard. Then you do have the black with the peach color. Low key, that one's kind of growing on me. I do wish that the stripe was in a different color, but it's not that bad. Feel me? I could probably freak with this one too. This right here, it's the beef and brock color. I don't know why I was sleeping on these. It's because I like the washed gray with the blue. Probably, I don't know, that's the one that I gravitated to ASAP, so I'm like, yo, I don't really fuck with the other ones, but they're actually not even that bad. I'm going for either one of these colorways, mainly that gray with the blue. Second, I'll go for that peachish with the black. That one's hard. And last up, I would still go for the beef and brock color. I feel like you could pull those off a little bit on the louder side, but they're not that bad. I don't know, they kind of slipped on that one, because if it was a darker brown, it would have been harder, if that makes sense. I don't know, maybe I'm just tripping, but that gray with the blue gotta come with me, bro. We got the or piled, I don't know how you say it exactly, sweater. This one comes in 3 colors. That beige color is not that bad. This is actually kind of hard. It's like a knitted sweater. It's almost like the material on the inside of this shit is on the outside. The cream color is probably the best one out of all 3. Second, I would go for the black, and honestly I wouldn't even go for the blue. That shit is too loud for a knitted sweater. The only 2 I would get is the cream or black. You got these Gore-Tex pants. These are basically like some Arc'teryx looking ass pants. If you know the vibes, you basically know what it is. It has that Supreme on the top. It has like a lot of pockets on it and shit. I feel like these are actually not bad, but retail is $228 on these hoes. I'm not trying to pay $230 plus shipping for some pants. Like, I'm good on that shit right now. Like, we good. That's a whole pair of sneakers. Like, nah, we good on that for sure. We got the Supreme Kangol pieces. There's 2 of them if I'm not mistaken. You got the Kangol and the hat. Both of them are Kangol pieces. LL Cool J vibes, you feel me? Like back in the day, OG rap type shit, Old Spice type shit. I'm not gonna lie, the actual Kangol hat is kind of fire. That shit got the script on the actual, like, I don't know what you call that shit. Is it a brim? I don't know if it's a brim. It's like almost like a rooftop. It's like slanting off on the side type shit. That shit look kind of clean because it has the little Supreme embroidery or whatever. We good on that. I'm not paying $100 or near it for that shit right there. We got the half cab Vans. I'm not even going to zoom into the picture right here because we good on those. If you like half cabs, that's for you. For me, I'm good on that. It's for people that like half cab Vans. Like, that's not my shit, so it's not for me, you know. But the old schools, those are hard body. Let me know if you still going for these, because you feel me, these are probably better for skating, and some people just like these more in general. And hey, I don't knock you, bro. These are actually not that bad. It's just not my style. Feel me? We got the leopard trim hooded sweatshirt. Who is pulling up with this shit on their hoodie? Like, I'm not paying $180 for this shit right here. Honestly, the more I look at this week, the more I see that this shit is ass. This shit is just ass, bro. Like, we gonna have to let this one just take a seat, because the more I really see, the more ass it is. It really has cheetah print on the fucking trimming of the hood. Who is doing that in the worst way possible? Like, who is doing that? And it's actually furry, bro. Just a little fur, not too much, just a little. I don't know. We got the Gore-Tex Comp Cap. This shit comes in 4 colors. The only good one is the black, in my opinion. The green is alright, but that patchwork gotta go, so we good on that. Canvas double knee painters. I know a lot of people probably gonna fuck with those, and these are actually not that bad. Those gray ones are low-key a clean pair of pants. These are almost like Carhartt vibes, like a pair of pants that you can have for a long ass time. You can tell because they're literally double knee painter pants. These bitches will last you till you can't walk no more, bro. Like, these bitches gonna still be in your closet at the bottom. These are not that bad though. And that gray color, kind of fucking with it. You got the Gore-Tex shell jacket. That black jacket is actually a banger in my opinion. I'd probably go for this, but I don't know if I'm trying to splurge this week on a jacket. I literally have hella jackets, but this is fire. It kind of gives me Prada vibes. I love that shiny pocket on the side. I love the subtle branding that Supreme did on this one. It just looks fire. The cargo pockets, damn bro, the more I look at this shit, the more I kind of feel like I need to buy this shit. This is clean. How much even is this shit? And it's Gore-Tex. Yo, people sleeping on that one. $328. Fuck, that's steep, bro. Like, that's steep. In Hispanic pricing, that's like $400, bro. I'm not gonna lie, that's steep. So I might go ahead and just take a seat. I'm gonna admire that shit from a distance, and we gonna be alright. We got the fucking alpaca overcoat. Who is releasing a alpaca overcoat? PETA gonna be all over this shit. It comes in 2 colors. First of all, I don't think it's real alpaca. There's no purple alpaca out there. I don't know if I'm tripping. I'm assuming there's like whatever color there is, and then like an albino alpaca. I don't think there's like a purple one. You know what I'm saying? That's like a Pokemon type shit. This one's $800. You could get a whole pair of off-whites for $800. You could invest in stock, pay half your rent for $800. You gonna buy an alpaca coat? Like, what you doing? You're not gonna catch me slipping like that. We got the Dice crew neck. This one comes in 5 colorways. It's actually not that bad. It's $148 retail. It got the Cheeto Man on the front. Let me know if I'm tripping. Like, literally the Cheeto Man wearing Tim's on. Yo, this shit is actually kind of fire. I'm not gonna lie, bro. The Cheeto Man is shooting dice on this shit with Tim's on. Yo, tell me I'm not tripping. Look at this shit. The Cheeto Man is on that shit. Tell me I'm not tripping. Y'all probably looking at the pictures right now. That's the fucking Cheeto Man. Yo, he is lit. He's lit. He is out here lit. I would honestly get this in the black and white or the navy with the baby blue. That shit is hard. Damn, I feel like this might be what I pick up this week. Low key. It's that and the Vans, bro. That's the perfect fit. The gray and blue Vans with the navy blue Cheeto Man shit. Bro, that's hard. Like, I'm not even gonna lie. You could get both those pieces for the price of the jacket, and you could go get some food. Stop playing. You could get some kicks, a sweater, and still go get Chick-fil-A or whatever the fuck you into. You feel me? I honestly think that Cheeto Man piece might have to come with me. It's probably gonna come if I don't get the Vans. I don't know if I'm gonna do both. You got the Liberty Floral 6-panel. This one's $54. Flowers all over this bitch. I think I'm good. You feel me? I'm just good on this one. Hey, yo, we got the Paisley Fleece shirt. Sounds like 3 things that shouldn't be together at the same time. Looking like this. Like, I don't know why. Like, they could have done so much better. Just keep it tonal. Tonal would have been so much nicer. This shit is loud and this shit is ass. So with all that being said, that's the lookbook items or whatever. We do have the Skittles pack. So as far as the Skittles shit goes, it's actually US and Japan exclusive, and the Skittles candy is actually only US exclusive. So hey, that's the most important shit I guess this week. But honestly, as far as the whole collection goes, I'm gonna break it down real quick right here. You got the fleeces, which honestly I'm good on those. The jacket isn't that bad. I feel like the jacket in the black colorway down the line will probably be worth something. I feel like it has pretty good branding on it. The S logo is at the bottom. It says Taste the Rainbow on the side. You feel me? Hey, do your thing. Prices on that is probably gonna be kind of steep, so I'm gonna probably skip on that shit. We got the beanie, which I'd probably go for in that red color because the Skittles background kind of matches with it. You feel me? So it's more tonal, but the black one isn't bad as well. Personally, I'm skipping on all the Skittles shit. And then we got the actual Skittles, which I might try and go ahead and add some in my order, whatever I decide to go for. But that's pretty much it for everything. And don't forget the $6,500 speakers. That's all I'm gonna say, bro. We good on all that shit. Leave a like on this video if you did enjoy. Subscribe to the channel if you're new, man. Click the post notification bell so you're notified whenever we post a new video. Hey, happy Thanksgiving if you're watching this right now. I don't know when this is going going up. It's either going up tonight or Thanksgiving morning. Happy Thanksgiving, if that's something you celebrate. I don't know who's watching, but I just hope y'all have a great day. You know what I'm saying? Just have a great, positive day. Everything's gonna be good. We gonna keep being better. But with all that being said, I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.
Never see the sun, always see the night.